Hello everyone, welcome to my kitchen. Liquid dough paratha trend is going on these days. So I wanted to try out and see if this recipe really works. Let's start, friends. First I'm going to make liquid dough paratha. Then I'll be making roti and paratha the original way. Next I'll be comparing them with liquid dough parathas. I have already kneaded the dough. This is just the regular whole wheat flour dough with just a little bit of salt. So let's start making the liquid dough for paratha. To a bowl, add 1 cup of whole wheat flour and 2 pinches of salt. Give it a mix. Now slowly add in 1.5 cups of water while mixing with a wire whip. Pourable consistency batter is ready. It should coat the back of a spoon like this. Cover and let this batter rest for 5 minutes. Heat a non-stick pan on low flame. Pour prepared batter with a ladle and spread it evenly. Flip the paratha when it starts looking dry from the top. This batter has got a lot of water. It's going to take a long time for it to cook. Please make sure the flame is on low to avoid the parathas from getting burnt from the outside and remaining raw from inside. Paratha looks dry from top. Flip it. This is looking like a wheat dosa. Press the edges gently. Let's flip again. From this side, it's looking like a paratha. I'm going to name this two-phased liquid dough paratha. It's been 8 minutes and the paratha is still cooking. These parathas need to be cooked on very low flame. Keep pressing the edges until the paratha puffs up. This is really a time-consuming recipe. This paratha is puffing up now. This is still raw from inside, so I'll be pressing the edges and cooking it furthermore. This is ready. Total time to cook one liquid dough paratha was 9 minutes. Now let's make original style paratha and roti. Let's make roti first. Transfer this to a hot pan. In less than 35 seconds, this is puffing up. Flip it and cook on the other side for a few seconds. Roti is ready. It took me less than 3 minutes for rolling and cooking this roti. Now let's quickly make paratha. Spread little ghee on the rolled paratha dough. Sprinkle little dry flour. Start making pleats. Start rolling it up. Dust little dry flour and roll the paratha. Transfer this to a hot pan. Cook for a minute on each side. Flip it. Drizzle little ghee. Flip it. Drizzle ghee. Flip it once more. It took me less than 4 minutes to roll and cook one paratha. Now let's compare liquid dough paratha with original style roti and paratha. Liquid dough paratha is very stretchy in texture. This has got two sides to it, like a coin. One side looks like a paratha and other side looks like a dosa. Dosa, paratha. Now let's see what this looks like from inside. Let's open it up. It looks raw from inside, even after cooking it for 9 minutes. What I like about this liquid dough paratha is it puffs up like roti. This is the original style paratha. Original style roti. Cooked all the way through in less than 2 minutes. Now let's taste the liquid dough paratha. It's very chewy and gummy and it tastes little raw. This is the original style roti. For me, nothing beats the taste, texture, and flavor of the original style roti and paratha. Making the original style roti and paratha was definitely easy and less time consuming. Hope you all enjoyed watching today's video. Please like, subscribe, and share. I'll see you back soon with a new recipe. Till then, take care. Bye.